This is the professor with a daily and weekly chart analysis for SWIR. Sierra Wireless is the #1 player in deploying wireless modules into automobiles, and Wealth Campus members and myself have played this several times in 2017. It's been one of our go-to stocks. And I really like this one going forward. I think it has a very bright future. And yesterday it had a very significant technical day. It was up 2.8% on good volume, and your RSI climbed to 68. And so, a lot of textbooks will tell you that when you get an RSI over 70, that you have an overbought condition. But I'm here to tell you that what I look for is I want this RSI to move over 70 so that we have momentum. And this stock is carving out a very nice daily pattern. Very short term, we have resistance at 29.50, 29.60, and 29.84. Now, once Sierra Wireless breaks 30.60, this high, which I firmly believe it will, once it does, it sets things into motion. And in order to show you what that is, let's go to a weekly chart. And I want to go to annotate. And what I want to do is, let's start right here. And so what you have here is you have a huge cup and handle pattern that triggers on a break of 30.60. And once you do that, if you take a look, the low of the cup is 9.69. Okay. The high is 30.60. So what that's going to get you is that's going to get you a move. If you take the difference between the low and the difference between the high, that gives you a $20.91 move. Now, if I take $20.91 and I add it to 30.60, the size of the cup, $20.91 added to 30.60, gives you a, are you ready? $51.51 target. So we're breaking out, and what we want to look for is we want to see a break of this 30.60 area. And once you break 30.60, it triggers this really big 2-year cup and handle pattern in Sierra Wireless. And triggering that is going to get you a $20.91 measured move over time. Now, let me draw another couple trend lines here for you. You can see what happens to the price of the stock when it moves over 70 on a weekly. Look at the move that I obtained once my RSI was over 70. Now, taking a look at the RSI on the weekly again on Sierra Wireless here, you can see that we are at 68.14. So we're getting very close to momentum on the weekly. Taking a look at the daily with it under a different type of lens, under a different chart style, you can see that we not only got a bullish line cross on the MACD, but on the MACD histogram, we went over and made a bullish line cross over the histogram at the 0 mark. So that's a very positive technical event, and you can see with the elder bars here that there's accumulation taking place in the stock as well. I look for Sierra Wireless to get momentum here, not only in the daily, which is very close, it's at 68, but in the weekly as well, which is 68. And when we break that 30-60 top right there, then we're looking at a huge measured move from the 2-year cup and handle pattern to $51.51. If you like this daily and weekly analysis, these are the kind of stocks we're playing at WealthCampus.com all the time. I invite you to come check us out. The monthly membership is only $30. So for $1 a day, this is the kind of technical analysis and the kind of quality picks that you get. You have real-time alerts that are sent to you through a private Twitter and mobile text alerts. And you also get the alerts in a global chat message and by email. And your monthly membership gives you access, and no one does this, to a real-time model portfolio updated in real time as stocks enter and leave the portfolio. And it also gives you access to a real-time watch list of stocks that we're waiting to make a move. And the monthly membership also gets you access to daily video watch lists. I send out a video to all my members of the stocks that we're watching for the next day and how to play them. So I definitely look forward to you possibly stepping onto campus. Come check us out, and thanks for watching me.